Want to understand how our planet works and how to protect its future? At Southampton, Earth Sciences is where curiosity about our planet meets global impact. Together we'll explore everything from climate change and natural hazards to energy, resources and sustainability. We'll start with the fundamentals, how Earth systems work, how they've changed over time, and how human activity is shaping what comes next. Then you'll get hands-on out in the field, in the lab, and using tools like GIS and data analysis, you'll build the practical skills to investigate the planet for yourself.
You won't be doing it alone. You'll learn from researchers tackling global challenges right now and will apply that thinking to your own work. And this is a place where ideas connect. Southampton is known for world-leading research in ocean and earth science, so you'll be part of a community pushing boundaries together here at our Waterfront Campus at the National Oceanography Centre, Southampton.
As you go, you'll shape your degree around your interests, selecting modules from geology to geophysics, environmental geoscience to chemistry, and you'll be supported by your personal academic tutor every step of the way.
Where could it take you? Environmental consultancy, sustainability, energy, policy, research. Wherever you want to make a difference. Ready to take it further? Join us at an open day or explore more online and start shaping your future in earth sciences.